Brite heavy-duty scrub sponges are a reliable and effective tool for all your scrubbing needs. With their durable construction and high-quality materials, these sponges are designed to tackle tough messes with ease. One of the standout features of the Scotch Brite heavy-duty scrub sponges is their scrubbing fibers, which are made from 100% recycled content. This not only makes them an eco-friendly choice, but also ensures that you're getting a product that is built to last. These sponges are specifically recommended for scrubbing tasks and are ideal for use on plastic surfaces. Whether you're tackling dirty dishes or cleaning your kitchen, these heavy-duty sponges will get the job done. The product dimensions of the Scotch Brite heavy-duty scrub sponges are 4.5 L 2.7 W 0.6 PE, making them a convenient size to handle comfortably. They also come in a pack of 1, and each sponge weighs 3.2 ounces, providing ample scrubbing power. As for the brand, Scotch Brite